First of all, I would love to thank the Finnish people, the people of Finland, and also the Finnish government for making available the grant that was given to NatureGuard to implement a solid waste management project in Kabwe. We are implementing a solid waste management project in 15 wards of Kabwe district. We formed groups of women, youths in the 15 wards who are collecting plastic, and then NatureGuard is buying that plastic. This particular type of plastic, which have been a mess around the Kabwe community for quite some time. So the project is more of a social enterprise where we are buying this plastic, and eventually NatureGuard also, to sustain the project, will be selling it to those that are in the recycling industry.
One of the biggest problems that we have currently is clogging and blockages of our drainages. And you would appreciate that plastic is one of the major problems that we have, especially like this time of the rainy season and all these waterborne diseases that we get, cholera and the rest. We were inspired to do such a project because the cleaning up is at least helping in unclogging of these drainages.
It's a sad sight that, when you travel in Zambia, and especially when you travel in the more affluent areas, you have a lot of waste in the environment and close to habitation and so forth. And particularly plastic waste, which is a good source for recycling and making material or perhaps energy through burning of that waste.
Our role is actually to provide a platform for community and stakeholders to engage. And this project, we've seen a lot of stakeholders having interest in this same project, and especially our groups in the community. They are cleaning up the environment and reducing on these diseases that might come along with the careless disposal of waste.
Icyo tusambirire mu muri cya kutola ikifindu kya tulengesho ko bati batupela amano akuishibo kukirina town bantu kuishi town iliyoko tuberere no kuberera abanesi baretola kuleba kilini na kulebo indoti ebusuma twasangamu antamulebe indoti.
On the part of NatureGuard, I would like to first begin by commending you for thinking outside the box and to encourage you to continue on the same path. You see, you are helping us a lot in terms of cleaning the environment, because I'm aware of some of the activities you're doing where you are buying used bottles from just people that you've engaged in the communities. So you're creating employment for those people. They are getting an income at the end of the day that they're using to take care of their families, which is commendable. And beyond that, you're helping us to clean the environment. So for us as a local authority, I think this is where we need partners like you as NatureGuard to come on board, because government alone, the local authority alone cannot manage. So we need to complement the efforts that we are doing as a local authority, and it's good that organizations like you are there to make sure that those efforts are complemented.
Solid waste literally is anything discarded or unwanted. This may come from industrial processes, may come from agricultural processes, it may come from commercial processes, and even our households. Waste in its own, left unattended to, like we've seen sometimes in our communities, we have waste in streets, in drainages, sometimes even in our rubbish pits behind our homes. If you leave this waste unattended to, this is a breeding sites of mosquitoes, This is a breeding sites of rats. And these are rich grounds at which these disease carrying vectors breed from. So you find that it's from these sites, if waste is unattended, pathogens are carried by these vectors into our homes, into our communities. And they carry serious diseases, dysentery, plague. They can carry cholera from these sites. So waste unattended becomes is a hazard, in short, to the community.
So for NatureGuard, I think this project has recorded tremendous impact in that we've collected so far more than 38 tons of waste plastic bottles, which will be sold for recycling. And this has helped clean up the Kabwe business district especially. And one interesting thing is that the residents that are generating this kind of waste are also very eager to participate in this project, especially that they are also earning an income.
Ifi twatampire mu January lero twatampire okutola mu March twalishitishe ero nakabiri twatampire okutola nakabiri tumawo bulimo bwakweba ati tule yafuirisha fwebe neire twafuirishako bantu nga twashitisha tatulebulirwa tulekwanisha kuti wabomfyako efya kuti washitisha we mwine fyakutwalako buyantanji pantanji nshawupwa ne wido alume wangu emwalira mu 1999 pa 20 September. So nunkhala neka tetinoni na bana babiri kuvutika so chabe nachitako piecework hapa na washishako hapa nachitako piecework ku skulu kupyangako kuonako bana so chabe nemwe amene muno nkhalira niliye permanent chito pene chimbwa kutati kuli project ya kutola ma plastics nata kapena ningaoneka bwino pa umoyo wanga pamene naamba kuti kutenga ma plastic pali icho chine tulepoka chile yafurisha ne gulamu tumameda tutatu napimishamo na malasha bana balya.
The idea behind the project is a very good one because it addresses several issues at the same time. One is the issue of waste management and recycling and collection. And NatureGuard, the initiative with NatureGuard addresses exactly that thing, that you would, first of all, it's conducive in cleaning up the environment, and secondly, it's taking those resources that are now laying idle and put them in a good use in order to provide also livelihoods for people.
This project under CSF 2, which is solely funded by the Finnish, is a 2-year grant, and we are in the first year of implementing this grant.
One program that we are proud of is the Civil Society Environment Fund. It is a fund that is designed to support civil society initiatives in terms of environment. And it has quite a wide focus. So basically we are looking for all kind of good ideas that are conducive for environmental protection. So what inspired us in funding the second phase of CSF was what the first phase achieved. And there was quite a lot of good initiatives that popped up, and what we realized that what is lacking in Zambia is not good ideas, but basically the initial push and the first resources in order to get something going. And we had very good proposals coming forward from this last round, and we have very interesting projects going on, and NatureGuard definitely is one of those.
This grant involves 5 activities. The first activity is, of course, awareness, and as our motto is of being a positive spirit for the environment, we are laboring to to see that every person realizes that it's important that we all participate in cleaning our environment. The second aspect is outreach programs. We are going in the communities, doing some outreach awareness programs. Then the other aspect is the buying of the plastic waste from vulnerable colleagues in the community that are collecting plastic waste, and that we supply this plastic to
Those that are in the recycling industry.
This machine is what we call a shredding machine. We secured this machine with the help of the grant that we got from CSEF 2, that is with the help of the Finnish government. This machine is shredding this same plastic into those shredded pebbles. It has got a capacity of 1.2 tons per hour. Some of our buyers would prefer just baled plastic, and some would prefer shredded plastic. Then the other aspect is we are doing upcycling with 5 schools dotted around Kabwe district, where we've engaged pupils that are making different artifacts such as handbags, table mats. The other aspect is this same documentary, which we hope will act as an advocacy tool to sensitize the community of the impact of our actions to our environment.
The winners in this issue of waste management is the people themselves, because people need to take responsibility of waste starting from their household. We don't want a situation where you look around in the night and you go and you throw across the road, because you know, if you throw waste across the road, it will come back into your home in another form, that is disease. So we need to encourage Nature Guard to upscale to another level so that we remove this danger from within the proximity of our community.
So for Nature Guard, I think this project has recorded tremendous impact, but also it's a wake-up call for industries like Kankoyo breweries, who are producing opaque beer and packaging it in these bottles, to also come on board and partner with Nature Guard and see how we can work together to ensure that eventually those plastics, once they are used, they are recycled and reused for the same businesses.
What you are seeing here is what's supposed to end up at the dump site. So we are doing our part in trying to clean up the environment, and we hope that each one of us could take up the battle of seeing that at least where you are doing one or two things to better our environment. This is not just for the council, this is not just for Nature Guard or other players in the environmental sector, but it's supposed to be an individual effort. If we all combine our efforts in cleaning our environment, we'll definitely have a cleaner environment to leave to our children and our great-great-grandchildren.